Hey guys, welcome back to Electrical Car Repair Live. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. Today will be super helpful video if you have a BMW guys 1 Series and you're trying to remove or replace your coolant overflow bottle, also known as coolant tank. Stay with us and we'll explain guys how to do that. Make sure you stand till the end because there is something very important that we need to talk about, because if you don't do that guys, you can actually damage your engine, you can overheat your engine, and you may end up spending thousands of dollars in repairs. So make sure you stand till the end. Before we start, every single car we get at the shop, we make at least 200 free repair videos guys. And why we do that? Because our mission in the shop is to save you as much money as we can. All we need guys in return, please subscribe to the channel and like the video. Something else, if you need to buy a new tank, any of the tools, parts that we use guys, or anything for your BMW 1 Series, check out the link in the description of the video below and you can see where we get all our tools and parts from. Let me show you what we have here. Specifically, this is N52 gasoline engine guys, N52. Even if you have the N54 5 engine, I think it will be the same as long as you have the same coolant reservoir like this one here. Now, first, before we start, let me tell you one thing quick guys. Check this channel out, Auto Repair guys. This is our main channel, and on that channel we have helped more than 75 million people. We have information that can save you thousands of dollars guys on future car repairs, so check it out guys. Now, this is the coolant tank. What you need to do, as you can see guys, we have the front end completely apart that way with a great detail. We can show you what to do, but you don't need to take your car apart guys. We're just making quite a few videos here and we'll show you how to do things. But things that you will need to do, you will need to drain your cooling system, and if you want to see how to do that, we have a video that demonstrates how to do that on BMW E90, and I'll put the link in the description of the video below how to drain the cooling system. Once you drain your cooling system guys, okay, make sure you stand till the end. I want to share two interesting facts as well. You're ready to actually remove your tank. What you need to do, you need to disconnect the top hose, and here you're going to remove that spring up. It comes to a specific spot, you can see how it stops, so you don't have to pull it all the way out. Grab that line, okay, and pull it out. Those things may be actually stuck, so you have to be careful not to break them. Now we need to disconnect the bottom hose. This is the bottom main hose. Pull the spring up, okay, and pull that hose out. Just grab it guys, okay, and came out as well. Nice. Now, always guys use original BMW coolant later, because otherwise you can cause damage to your O-rings here, that you have O-rings, to the hoses and the water pump, because we have in most cases electric water pump as well guys. So now 10mm socket, and we need to remove two bolts. Two bolts are guys coming out. Perfect. Now grab the tank, pull it up. Okay, you need to disconnect the wiring harness for the level sensor. Push down right here and pull it out guys. And this is it, this is the tank. Now when you put the new tank, okay, what you need to do, install the tank, and you need to fill up your cooling system, and you need to bleed the cooling system. If you don't bleed the cooling system the correct way, what will happen guys? You can severely overheat your engine and you can end up buying a new engine or have your engine rebuilt. So we'll have a video guys that explains how to bleed the cooling system and on a BMW, and I'll put the link in the description of the video below, so please check it out guys. Hopefully the video will be helpful. Thank you for watching and see you guys next time.